Unraveling the Mystery. Understanding, up to 11. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. In today's video, we're going to unravel the mystery behind the phrase, up to 11. This is a phrase you might have come across in movies, music, or casual conversations. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in context. The phrase, up to 11 inches originates from a 1984 mockumentary film called, This is Spinal Tap. In the film, a character proudly shows off an amplifier whose volume knobs are marked up to 11, instead of the standard 10. He explains that this makes the amplifier louder and more powerful. The phrase has since become a popular cultural reference to pushing things to the maximum level or going beyond the usual limits. When using up to 11, you are essentially saying that something is being taken to the extreme or that you are giving your maximum effort. It's important to note that this phrase is often used in a humorous or exaggerated manner. Example 1. Imagine your friend is working very hard in the gym, lifting heavier weights than usual. You could say, "Wow, you're really turning it up to 11 today." Here, you're acknowledging their extra effort in a playful way. Example 2. If a party is extremely loud and lively, you might comment, "This party is definitely up to 11." Here, you're using the phrase to describe the intensity and energy of the event. While up to 11 inches is widely understood in English-speaking cultures, especially among those familiar with Western pop culture, it's important to clarify that this is a slang phrase and might not be immediately understood by everyone. It's also worth noting that the phrase should be used in appropriate contexts, typically in informal settings or when making a joke. And that's a wrap on up to 11. We hope this video has shed some light on this unique and fun phrase, and that you feel confident using it in your conversations. Don't forget, language learning is all about practice and exposure, so keep turning up your efforts to 11, and you'll see improvement in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.